Anyone getting a pay rise in the new year will be hit by having to pay more tax and USC. That's because for the first time in 5 years, there was no announcement made in the budget about changes to the tax credits and the tax bands. Usually the budget in October, there's an announcement made about changes to the income tax thresholds, and then that's implemented on the 1st of January. But this year is different. Instead, money went to the hospitality sector for a cut in its VAT rate and to builders to encourage them to build more. So people can expect a pay rise. If they're getting a pay rise, you probably hit the higher rate of tax faster than in previous years. You hit the higher 40% tax rate if you're a single person from around 44,000 euros. Now that's very, very low income to be hitting the higher tax rate. You hit the higher tax rate on much lower income in this country than you do, for example, in Germany or France or the UK. It means that if you're on over 70 grand, your marginal tax rate is about 52%. So more than half of what you earn goes on taxes. Not surprisingly, the Irish Congress of Trades Unions, the General Secretary, Owen Reedy, has been scathing about this and accused the government of breaking its promises that it'll be a tough year for workers. It's also a pity because something like 750,000 workers are going to be automatically enrolled into a new pension. It's called My Future Fund. It's an automatic pension enrollment system. It could mean that if you're on 40 grand, it'll cost you about 50 euros a month or 600 euros a year. That's a fair bit of money. So it's not good. The Taoiseach and Finance Minister Simon Harris has defended the decision not to make changes to the income tax system in the last budget, which would come into effect if it was going to happen this January. He said the government will implement changes in the taxation system if the economy remains strong. He said it was the first of 5 budgets that the government is due to deliver, and the government remains committed to make changes to income tax. But that'll be small consolation for people.